Never know how much I love you. Never know how much I care. But when you put your arms around me, I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, or fever all through the night. Sunlights of the daytime, moonlights of the night. I let out when you call my name, and you know I'm gonna treat you right. You give me fever when you kiss me, fever when you hold me tight. Fever in the morning, oh fever all through the night. Everybody's got the fever, that is something you all know. Fever isn't such a new thing, fever started long ago. Romeo loved Juliet, Juliet, she felt the same. When you put his arm around her, he said, Julie, baby, jump my flame.
¿Dudas de quién va?
Captain Smith and Pocahontas had a very mad affair. But when her daddy tried to kill him, she said, Daddy, oh, don't you dare, he gives me fever with his kisses, fever when he holds me tight. Fever, I'm his missus, oh, Daddy, won't you treat him right?
Bravo, Marc.